Namaste students, my name is Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are going to discuss topic ecosystem services. These are the services which are provided by the ecosystem, and this belongs to the subject ecology and evolution. So let's start. So healthy ecosystems are the base for a wide range of economy, environmental and aesthetic goods and services. So if the ecosystem is healthy, it can pay for us. Okay, a wide range of economic and environmental factors are there which ecosystem provides to us, like the minerals, the metals. Okay, so our economy also depend on these things. So if the ecosystem is wealthy, it will give a contribution to a wealthy nation. So the products of ecosystem processes are named as ecosystem services. Okay, let's talk about the examples. So a healthy forest ecosystem purify air and water, mitigate droughts and floods, cycle nutrients, generate fertile soil, provide wildlife habitat, maintain biodiversity, pollinate crops, provide storage site for carbon, and also provide aesthetic, cultural, and spiritual values. Okay, so a healthy forest can give a lot of things to us. Through the photosynthesis, it purify the air. Through the various types of the soil constructions, it purify the water. It mitigate or it regis for the drought and floods. It control the floods. Many of the nutrient cycles which we have studied earlier that are conducted through the forest, healthy forest. It can generate the fertile soil by the decomposition of the leaves and the dead animal, and provide it wildlife habitat. Animals, birds, various types of animals and birds are there. The microorganisms are there, so it provide a wildlife habitat. It maintain biodiversity. Okay, in a dense forest there are many type of organisms are there which are not present in the normal land. So it maintain the biodiversity. It maintain the density of the animals and birds in the forest, which is not possible in the naked land. Okay, so it pollinate crops. It provide storage site for carbon and also provide aesthetic, culture, and spiritual values. Okay. So, though value of such services of biodiversity is difficult to determine, it seems reasonable to think that biodiversity should carry a healthy price tag. So we cannot count the price of the services which provided by the ecosystem. But few scientists calculated and put price tag on the nature's life support services. So the researchers have put an average price tag of $33 trillion a year on these fundamental ecosystem services, which are largely taken for granted because they are free. So this is nearly twice the value of the global gross national production, GNP, which is around US $18 trillion. So out of the total cost of various ecosystem services, the soil formation occurs for about 50%. The contributions for other services like recreation and nutrient cycling are less than 10%. The cost of climate regulation and habitat for wildlife are about 6% of each. So hope you are satisfied with this tutorial session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve that. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.